Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Before Greg starts his product review, we want to thank Chris for Tiken for reaching out to us and asking us to do this. Tiken provided the carafe and we were very happy to review it for him. So if you're interested in the carafe, then at the end of the video there will be a promo code on the screen. It'll also be down in the description. Get you a little discount.
Welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Recently, we were contacted by Chris from Tiken and asked if we wouldn't mind doing an unboxing for a carafe. He's seen Charlotte's videos and her unboxings, and he really enjoyed our channel and had just some great things to say. So I said, hey, why not? We'll test it, we'll brew some coffee and see how it holds up to heat. I got some numbers from him, what it should be. And we'll go from there. So, ooh, very nice, stainless steel. Rubber feet on the bottom, nice rubber ring. Stay in place. Let's take a look inside. Yep. Looks well constructed. Let's compare it to our Ninja Carafe. All right, well, right off the bat, I can see that it's not as big as the original Ninja Carafe, but, that's okay. We'll test it out, and we'll see. Let's see, will the insert fit? No, okay. So, not necessarily a replacement, but might be a nice carafe. We'll see how it does with temperature. So I'm going to brew a pot of coffee and we'll see what the temperature is. We'll put it in here and then we'll test it here in say 30 minutes and an hour, and we'll go from there. All right, be back in a little bit. All right, we have an entire pot of coffee here brewed on our Ninja coffee maker and on the rich mode, which I believe has the highest temperature setting. So it's currently sitting at, wait for it. Yes, I hear you. Obviously higher than what I have this thermometer set at right now. 174, so 174 degrees. So we're gonna take this, we'll see how much this carafe holds. Not quite a full pot, but pretty close. All right, I'm gonna put this on, seal it up nice and tight, and we're gonna let it sit. We're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes, and we'll check the temperature again and see how it held up. All right, be back in 30. All right, it's been 30 minutes, so let's go ahead and open this up, check the temperature. See where it's at. Oh, still above 149. There's my alarm. All right, still sitting at 174, right where it was before. So 30 minutes and it stayed the same. So we'll check back in 30 more minutes and see how it holds up after an hour. We'll see you then. Okay, it's been an hour. Let's check the temperature. See how it's holding. $172 degrees, so dropped just 2 degrees over an hour. That's pretty good. Pour myself a little cup with, as everyone says, my ridiculous amount of creamer.
Oh, you mean a little coffee with your creamer?
No, no one asked you. Nice hot cup of coffee, just like it was brewed. Hey, so we want to thank Chris from Tiken for sending this to us and allowing us to check it out. Where it's not a replacement for our Ninja Carafe directly, it could have some uses in the house. We have lots of friends over brewing a pot of coffee, and knowing that it'll stay hot for an hour is absolutely a bonus. Hey, if you like what you saw today, hit that like button, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. You'll continue to see all the videos that we do, whether they're unboxing or some of our crazy recipes that we make all the time. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this product or any of the things that we do here on the channel. And until next time, we'll see you at the Galley of the Sun.